In the bustling town of Maplewood, Buddy, the Labrador Retriever, was known for his adventurous spirit. Despite his love for chasing frisbees and splashing in the town's lake, Buddy felt like something was missing. One bright morning, he decided it was time to sniff out new hobbies. As Buddy trotted down Maplewood's main street, his nose twitched with curiosity at every corner. He stumbled upon Mrs. Appleby's art class, where splashes of paint caught his eye. Tail-wagging, he dipped his paws in the rainbow of colors and danced across the canvas, creating a poster piece. Next, he followed the sweet melody of Mr. Greg's guitar to a music lesson. With a paw, he strummed the strings, and to his delight, the guitar hummed a tune that made his heart sing. Buddy had found another hobby to howl about. Buddy's final stop was at the community garden, where the scent of fresh herbs and flowers was too enticing to ignore. He dug in, quite literally, and helped plant new seeds, finding joy in watching life grow. As the sun set over Maplewood, Buddy realized the excitement wasn't just in the hobbies themselves, but in the journey of discovering them. With a heart full of new passions, Buddy couldn't wait to see what adventures tomorrow would bring.